Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to redeem Wish Cash and credits. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to redeem Wish Cash and credits. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.wish.com. If you are not logged in already, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, locate your profile icon or account initials at the top right corner of the page, and here you'll be provided with a drop-down menu, including wish list, shopping cart, order history, daily login bonus, Wish Cash rewards, get help. So go ahead and click on Wish Cash. Now, in the Wish Cash section, which we have in here, you're going to find your current Wish Cash balance and any credit you may have. Mine is $0, proudly. No, proudly. So this area will also display any promotions or bonuses you can use towards your purchase. So browse through the Wish Marketplace and find items you want to purchase. So after checking these, of course, you can see that it's at 0. So browse the Wish Marketplace by using the search bar, or just go ahead and select any product that you may want. Or if you have added any product to cart, just go ahead and click on the cart icon to check for the product. But once you click on any of the product and it opens the product details page, you're going to find the add to cart button. Click on that and it's going to add to cart. So this is where you can click on to head to your cart. Now, in this cart page, you'll find the checkout button that is just right next to it. Now, on this page, before checking out, of course, after entering your shipping address or selecting the shipping address, entering the amount, how you want to pay, and the payment method, and also applying the coupon if you have. I'd like you to know that if you have sufficient Wish Cash or credits available, if you do not have, you're not going to find an option. But if you have sufficient Wish Cash or credits available, there'll be an option right under Order Summary for you to apply it directly to your order. So click on the checkbox next to Use Wish Cash. So you see Use Wish Cash and a checkbox right next to it. Under Order Summary. So if you have sufficient Wish Cash, go ahead and click on the checkbox next to Use Wish Cash, or input the amount of credits you want to use towards your purchase. If you want to use all available Wish Cash, there may be an option to apply it automatically. So review your order summary, ensuring that your Wish Cash and credits have been deducted from the total amount. And if everything looks correct, go ahead and select your shipping method, payment, and everything you want to do. And once you're done, click on checkout, and that's it. You'll be able to, once you do that, you will successfully, or you receive a confirmation email detailing your purchase, including the amount of Wish Cash or credits used. That's it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.